Where I got this from? I got this from Total Wine and Spirit. So right now I'm about to pour, if I can do measurements for y'all, I'm about to pour 6 ounces of the juice. So I'm getting ready to pour 6 ounces of the juice. Next, so I found this at the store. I'm assuming this is new, but this is Jackdaniels Tennessee Apple. So I'm about to pour, if I can open it, I'm about to pour a shot in here. And then next I'm gonna pour a shot of Smirnoff Kiss caramel, whatever you wanna say. So yeah, right now I'm pouring a shot of the Kiss caramel in here. It's gonna be so fucking good. And then I'm about to shake it. Shake them straight, shake them straight. Shake. Okay, so this is an optional step, but I just poured some caramel into a bowl. So I'm gonna dip, oh shit. I'm gonna dip my glasses in it. You know, cause why not? So it can look like this on the side. I had stepped outside to do my taste testing video because I had like a whole little setup. This is where I do all of my videos and stuff. I do it right by my car. So I'm gonna show you guys how it tastes. I already tasted it, but we gotta do it for the video. Do it for the fire, I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the fire, I ain't gonna do it. Y'all, this shit tastes like this. It tastes so fucking good. Like, they probably gonna be mad because I'm cussing in this video, but this tastes so good. And the reason why it tastes so good is because I use fresh apples. Like, fresh apples. Like, I didn't use no mixer, no nothing. Fresh apples. Thank you, Comfee. I'm probably saying your name wrong, but thank you so much for my juicer. Every video that I post, I will have this juicer in it because that shit's amazing. Like, I got so much juice from using that juicer. But anyway, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Goody Big. Actually, ugly as dance. Goody Bigs by Lee.